How to enable direct messages on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. Open Instagram, log into your account, tap profile icon at bottom right, select three-bar menu icon at top right. On setting and activity page, scroll down. Now look for the option of messages and story replies under how others can interact with you. Tap on message request. Then choose Others on Instagram and make sure you have checkmark Message Request. Now anyone who is non-followers can easily send you direct messages on Instagram. Come back and tap on your followers on Instagram and choose to message request. And with that, you have successfully enabled direct messages on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.